Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing onto my channel for the first time today. If you're someone who loves makeup and you are obsessed with cats like I am, then this is the channel for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Lunarly unboxing. I'm unsure if this is for the month of July, for the month of August. Something got a little wacky with that. But we're gonna open this box up and see what we got inside. So if you're curious on what Lunarly is and what is inside this box, then definitely keep on watching. So if you're wondering what Lunarly is, it's another subscription box, and it is $40 a month, and it alternates between months whether you get a plant or a candle. And then other than that, inside are like crystals, rocks, stones, stuff for meditation, essential oils, incense, stuff like that, just for, self-care and bettering and meditation and stuff like that. So this box isn't for everyone, but it's definitely a box that I really enjoy on getting. Normally they send it out each new moon of each month, but something got a little crazy or messed up because I skipped a month because I don't want 1,000 plants because my cats will eat them. I mean, we just went sunflower picking today and my cat has already destroyed a few of the petals from my sunflowers. So there's just not enough spaces to hide plants without my cat getting to it. So this box has been opened by my mom just to make sure that there wasn't a plant in this box, because if there was, obviously I want to take it out and make sure it was watered and got sunlight and not trapped in a dark box. So as I said, this month's box has a candle inside, and when I looked on the bottom of it, it does say this is the August box, because I think I skipped the July box ahead of time so I wouldn't get another plant. So we have a candle instead. And this one smells really nice. It smells really fresh. I can't tell you what the notes are because I don't have a sophisticated nose like that. So we're gonna open up the box that comes inside the box to get more information about this candle. So in each box you get a cute little card with information on the month's moon. So for August, it is the corn moon, which makes sense because sunflowers and corn usually is in full harvest, full bloom towards the end of August, and then going into early September is usually the peak times. So the new moon will be August 18th, the first quarter moon will be August 25th, full moon September 2nd, and the last quarter moon on September 10th. Corn is an ancient source of nourishment that was vital to Native American tribes. Just as they honored it in this moon's name, take time to honor the gifts that the universe offers you this month. So an intention to inspire, I am thankful for my blessings. All right, and then they give you a little pamphlet in here, and this will give you all the information on what's inside the box. They don't have any prices or how much everything is worth. But I mean, paying $40, you either get a candle or a plant, and that pretty much almost pays for the box itself, so you're getting your money's worth. So the candle is the Corn Moon candle. It has agave for health and prosperity, sea salt for purity and loyalty, and coconut for cleansing and humility. It says for a meditation tip to close your eyes and imagine yourself lying on a sandy shore. With every breath in and out, visualize the tide gently washing over you and leaving you feeling cleansed. It does smell really nice. It smells kind of beachy. All right, so diving in already, I see something really shiny and cute on top. And it's kind of like this little pendulum thing. I don't really know. But it has a little hole at the top where you can stick a string through or something. So this is the Metatron's Cube Metal Ornament. What makes this ornament shape so entrancing? The figure known as Metatron's Cube is a symbol of sacred geometry. It contains all 5 shapes of the Platonic solids. This ancient pattern is believed to represent the intertwining connection of all things within the universe. So it says to hang this metal ornament in your home to bring a sense of peace and symmetry to your space. View it as a reminder of the beauty that bonds you with nature. I really, really like this. This is cute. This is a first kind of decorative item I've gotten besides candles, but no, I like that. That's unique. All right, the next thing is by Feather Beauty. It's the Keratin Leave-In Spray. It's a strengthening leave-in conditioning spray that helps protect delicate strands from damage for stronger, sleeker, and healthier looking hair. Cool. Again, I'm going to have to double check the ingredients on this, and hopefully it is Curly Girl method approved because I'm always looking for detangulars and leave-in conditioners. All right, so the next thing is the Rocky Mountain Oils Root Chakra Essential Oil Blend. Ooh, so this one is to target your root chakra or your Muladhara chakra. So that's going to be your very bottom chakra, like at the tailbone, and that's what is supposed to root you with your surroundings and with nature. So this has all the scents needed to inspire determination in your root chakra. It is made with vetiver, myrrh, frankincense, serrata, grapefruit, and pine. So I think this is a roller ball, so you can apply it to your temples, your inner wrist, and at the base of your spine, like your tailbone, where your root chakra is located. Give me a second to open this with my nails or my teeth, and we'll see what this smells like. Yep, so I was right. It is a nice little roller ball, so we're just going to roll some on my wrist and see what it smells like. Ooh, I really like that. No, that smells really, really nice. It's not super, super overpowering, but if you're someone that doesn't really like the smell or the power of essential oils, then it probably won't be for you, but I like the smell of this. All right, and like I said, each month there is some sort of crystal or a rock that comes in this cute little velvet pouch. So let's see what it is for this month. Ooh, this is a big one. Ooh, it has like a cool like shine or a sheen to it with like a little like glitter. So this is Hematite. A month that calls for hustle means it also calls for calm. Find balance and connection with the help of this hematite stone. Hematite is thought to connect with the root chakra. This means it will bring you a sense of grounding when you're feeling restless. For a quick hematite meditation, lay flat on the ground with a hematite stone in your hand. Take deep, centering breath as you welcome a new stability to wash over you. Cool. Wow. I really, really liked this month's box. It's so cool. I got this little like decorative thing. I'll have to get a piece of string and hang it up somewhere. I have my little meditation table right here in my corner. So I probably am gonna hang it on the wall over there. The unfortunate thing is that my cats like to play with stuff, so I can't display all of my stones and everything. I have a Japanese rock garden on my little meditation table, but we have to cover it with like a blanket or a pillow so my cats don't run off with stones, because my kitten will probably try to eat a stone and I really don't want to have to take her to the vet. So I'm not able to keep the aesthetic of it, but if I want to meditate or do something with my table, I have to take everything off of it in order to get the full effect. But unfortunately, I think this is going to be my last Lunarly unboxing. I just need to save more money for bigger purchases in the future. And I think I've gotten enough products to help me with self-care and help me with my meditation, journey, that I can use up what I have before I get anything else. And I have a lot of candles and I don't need any more, and I don't need any more plants, at least at the moment. But I think this is a really cool way to get yourself introduced into meditation. If you are someone that wants to start off, you don't really know what you're doing, it gives you a lot of little basic stuff to help with your own self-care and your own meditation journey. So that's everything for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified when I post a new video. I love you guys, and if you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you to my Feline family. Bye! I do really like this.